Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency chart that has moved up nicely and which has reversed in our trading area, and I'm talking about Polygon. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register for free and you get access to all of our daily market updates for free for different asset classes, but also for crypto. So let's take a look at the crypto section first. And we click on it first and then we go to our Polygon chart. And we first want to take a look at the longer time frame. So what we want to do is we want to get an idea of the overall structure, get everybody who's not so familiar with the Polygon chart up to speed. And yeah, it's very important to understand that Polygon has possibly recently, in November, completed this larger time frame wave 2 correction. That might have happened actually after a long correction. Obviously, the idea is that Polygon completed a wave 1, which is the first rally in a larger 5-wave cycle in 2021. And then you can see we had a very complex correction, and it's likely that this wave 2 bottomed recently in November, and we are now starting our third wave to the upside. There is no target box to the upside yet. That's because the microstructure is a little bit unclear and we need a little bit more price data. But from what we can see on this chart, I would say long-term target projections of around $5 to $10 would be possible. But we want to see a little bit more positive price action on the smaller time frames first before we commit to a target area. But you know, I think for orientation that might be a reasonable projection. However, it is important to understand that Polygon bottomed later than many other cryptocurrencies, if this was indeed the low, because many other cryptocurrencies bottomed in some even in 2022 after a bear market, some in 2023. So Polygon only late 2024, not so great, but maybe just a late starter, and the overall structure still looks quite good. But it is very important to maintain an overall upside orientation. It's important that the November low is holding. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here it's just important that we stay above this 49-cent level. I mean, that would be really good in the short term. I mean, okay, if we break below it, we might fall back into the range. What we've done now is this long trade area, this trading area that we talked about in previous updates. We've grayed that out. We've kind of deactivated it, which means that if we break down again, we don't see it as relevant anymore, which means that ideally anybody who used this to find a position, you could take the risk out. You only need to focus on risk management. All you need to do is now pretty much to manage risk and to maybe move your stop into break even, because the structure to the upside is not that convincing yet. It's a bit choppy. It's a bit messy. We need a little bit more upside momentum, and the risk in the sector is quite high, also with Bitcoin nearly topping out. But ideally, the price would rally a little further, hold 49 cents, rally a little bit further to complete that third wave here, the blue wave 3. Then there should be an interim correction, a pullback forming a higher low in this wave 4 in blue. And then we want to see one more high in wave 5. After this wave 5, we can watch for a correction, and then we will talk about here another 1-2 setup, which means after these 5 waves are completed, a 5-wave move would be established. That means this move up indicates an uptrend is unfolding, a larger uptrend, but not in a straight line. No, this 5th wave would probably be the last wave of a cycle. Then a larger correction should follow. We would then expect a higher low to form, and this could be our next setup. Yeah, in similar ways as we had a trading area here on the chart. So yes, it's promising. Price action is promising, as it is for many other cryptocurrencies at the moment in the sector, but it is not very clear yet if this is really the breakout. We currently interpret it that way, but we need to pay very close attention to these charts as we're heading towards 2025. That's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure that you register on our website. You can get access to updates about stocks, tech stocks, the S&P 500 as well. And also make sure that you let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover in the coming days. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.